Alright, hi guys. Welcome to our online platform that we are going to use for class. So you guys should be in Teams right now. That's where this video is posted, so you should have at least known how to get here. What I want you guys to do is underneath this video, there's a reply button. Can you reply just so that I know that you at least saw this video and that you are in? I'm going to show you guys a couple things here. So as we work through this next week, couple weeks, we really don't know how long this is going to last where we're teaching this way. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple of things that you will want to know for my classes anyways. So in order to get to your Microsoft Team for the first time, I think Mrs. Culver instructed you guys all to go to our lesson plans. If you don't know where lesson plans are posted, you go to the school website. I'm just going to show you. So here's the home page. You go to menu, go down here to lesson plans, and then high school lesson plans. You'd scroll down to my name, and it should take you right to my plan book. This shows this week, but I'm talking about next week. So by the time you guys log in on Monday and you look at plan book, all of this will be filled out, but right now I just have worked on Monday. So then you could just click on your link to your Microsoft Team. So each group has a link, and this link will always be here. So if you don't download the Teams app or don't know how to get here other than through this, here's the link for you guys. So that's Planbook. If you log into your school email account, your Office 365 account, it should take you to a screen that looks somewhat like this. Hold on one second. Sorry, my kids had a question. I needed to answer them. So when you log into Office 365, this is kind of what you will see. You will see that there's Outlook. This is your school email. I will be emailing you guys if I have any concerns or if you're missing any work. I will be sending you guys an email, so please check your email daily if you could. You have your Word, Excel, PowerPoint. OneNote. There is going to be a class notebook set up for you guys. But everything that I set up for you guys is accessible through Teams. So this is where you would get to your class Teams if you don't go through Planbook, if you just want to log into your Office 365 and get to it that way. When you click on Teams from Office 365, it's going to ask you, it should ask you if you want to download the app or if you want to open it on the web browser instead. You can totally download the app. I have the app downloaded on my phone, on my other computer. On this one, I just have been using it on the web. It really doesn't make any difference, you guys. But this is, as you can see, I have a lot of teams that I have set up right now. So I can click on any one of these teams, and it will take me to that class. So I'm going to be just showing you guys what my economics students class looks like right now because I have the most done for them so far. So I would click on, if I was in economics, I would click on spring economics. This video that you are seeing should have been posted right in here. This is where you guys would have clicked on it, and you see how this one has a reply. There should be a reply underneath this video, and that's where I want you guys just to click on and say, hey, I'm here, I saw it, just so that I can see who has at least entered the class. And if you are not here, then I will be reaching out and calling you guys and making sure that you guys can get in. So this is posts. So posts, you guys, are going to be where this is just when I post an assignment. If I post a question, everything's going to post right in here onto the feed that pops up right when you open up Teams. There's 3 other ones that you are going to want to see. I have files. So underneath files, this is where, so especially for my economics, world history, and American history kids, I'm going to be uploading all the PowerPoints. So I will be teaching you guys the PowerPoints in the same type of format that I'm doing here. I will be talking about the topics that we would have covered in class. But if you want access to the PowerPoints, they are going to be in this PowerPoints folder. I have not uploaded all of them yet. I'm still working on getting all of them here. Assignments tab, that's this one right here. Under assignments, you guys, this is where I will be posting things. As you can see, these ones are due. It tells you the due date. Right now, my economics students, I have 3 things posted, but they won't be doing any of these 3 things this week. But in order to complete an assignment, you would click on it. Let me go to student view. It would look something like this. You can click on this form, answer the questions, and then it will grade the multiple choice and everything right like that right there for you, and then I will go in and adjust the grades later. Class notebook. This is where you guys need to go right after this video. So when you open class notebook, it should pop up and it should say, "Hi everyone." I typed up a bunch of information that I want you guys to read through, okay? Class notebook is where I'm going to be posting most of our daily assignments or weekly assignments. I'm breaking it down weekly. So if you see this "Hi everyone" and you see this little arrow right here, this is what you will click on to see the rest of what I've posted in our class notebook. Weekly plans. I have broken it down. My computer loads in 2 weeks. Some of them I went 10 days instead of 5. I just wanted to give you a little extra time for certain topics. So this is what my seniors will be doing in economics this week. They will be listening to podcasts that are related to economics. And then they will be answering some questions. Then they could click on next week and the week after if they really want to. This is just an extra project that they're working on. So if you guys have an extra tab on your class notebook, this is just probably an extra project that I have that you will be working on over the next couple of weeks. Missing work. This is the same for all of my classes. If you had anything missing before we went on our little break here, you can get that turned in. I am accepting anything that was from this since January 1st. So if you have anything missing, please get that turned in. If you have it at home, take a picture of it complete, email it to me. If you need a copy of it still, reach out. I will send you the copy of work for you to get done and turned into me. My world history kids, there's also under missing work, there's going to be a Pearson online tab. When you complete Pearson, let me know, and then I will update that for you as well. Collaboration space. I think only my economics students and my world history students have anything under collaboration. Economics, you have your trading stock project, and then my world history kids, this is where I want you to keep track of what you have completed for Pearson. So that's just kind of how my class notebook is set up. When you guys log into class notebook, your name should pop up down here somewhere. This is your notebook. This is where you have access to. So if I click on it, you are able to type class notes in here. If you want to add a page and do more assignments in here, you guys can do whatever you guys want in class notebook. If this is where you want to, for some of my students, you're keeping a journal. This is where you could add pages and keep your journal in your class notes. Okay, so a couple other things here, you guys. Over here on the left side of the screen, activity. This is just things that have been happening. So I'm assignments I posted for economics. That'd be something that would pop up for them. Chat though. So I'm going to be posting my schedule, you guys. When you see my schedule, I will post it into OneNote as well. But when you guys see my schedule, I have left times open where I will be sitting at my computer and available for you guys to chat with me. This can be just like a chat like this where you guys type. You go to contacts and you can type me in, search for me. I want to say, yep, right here. You can also call me. If you want to call me, you guys, it can be a video call, it can just be a voice call. But during those times that I have set up for just your class where it says available for calls or chats, so if you guys have questions, just click on that schedule and see when I'm available. I'm available almost every day for calls and chats from like 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. So I will be here ready to talk to you guys during those times, and then once a week during your guys' other time periods. One other thing, you guys, is during this time, I'm going to be reaching out to all of you guys at least twice a week. So I probably will be starting a chat with each and every one of you guys sometime on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. I'll be reaching out to all of you guys just to see how things are going, what you understand, what you don't understand, what you like, what you don't like, and what life is like at home right now, just how things are going. So I will be reaching out to you guys. So check for those little chat. It will pop up saying there's like a little red bubble right here saying that you have like a new message or something like that. So make sure you check for those things. I will be trying to keep in contact with you. One thing that is very important, so as we go through this, you guys, so in Teams, when I ask you guys to, when I ask you guys to reply to things, make sure you guys reply, because I am going to be checking for student engagement. It's really hard to teach remotely right now for me, because I'm used to just seeing you guys and being able to engage face to face. But since we aren't able to do that, when I say that you need to reply to something, please do so, because I'm going to be keeping track of who is engaging with the material and who isn't. Okay, well, I think that's all I have for right now. So for today, for Monday, March 23rd, what I want you guys to do is just check out your class notebook, reply to this video, make sure you know where things are within Teams, make sure you know how to get to Teams, and that should be it for today. So don't worry about clicking on any assignments or starting anything else. Today I just want you guys to focus on getting into Teams, being able to see what's in the class notebook, where the files are, reply to this post, and things like that. I miss you guys. I wish we were back in school, but this is where we are going to meet for now. So I will talk to you guys later.